Hey everyone, I recently got DJI Action 4. It's an incredible action camera with top tier stabilization, 10-bit color, and excellent dynamic range. I bought this camera mainly to document my bike rides, capturing the fun, the long road trips, and the scenic views. But when I tried it mounting on my helmet, I ran into a major problem. So, this is my helmet. It's the Yamaha Genex full face helmet by Steelbird, which came with my Yamaha FZ. I have linked it in the description if you're interested. Now, most action camera mounts are designed for flat surfaces, and usually people mount them on the front jaw area of the helmet. However, the front of this helmet has an aggressive angular design which makes it impossible to attach any standard flat surface mount. Sure, you can mount the camera on side, but then you need an extra arms and joints to level the camera. This not only makes the setup bulky but also unstable, especially at high speeds. I wanted something sleek, sturdy, and easy to install, so I decided to create my own custom adapter. The idea was to create an adapter that perfectly matches the sharp angles of the helmet while providing a flat surface to attach the camera mount. I wanted it to be lightweight and strong, and to ensure easy installation and removal, I went with a clamp style design secured by screws. I started with a basic sketch of adapter, visualizing how it would wrap around the jaw area of the helmet. To get the precise dimensions, I used stencils where I traced the top, bottom, and side profiles of the helmet. This was crucial because even a small misalignment could make the mount wobbly, which I didn't want it at all. Once I had all the stencils ready, I moved to Pro Engineer, also known as Cura, to model the adapter. The modeling process took me about an hour, but fine tuning the design for a perfect fit took around 3 to 4 hours, spread across 2 days. Since the adapter needed to be snug as possible, I went through multiple iterations and refinements to ensure the angles matched the contours of the helmet. For 3D printing, I used Ultimaker Cura as my slicer. Since Cura doesn't support step files, I had to convert the model to BJ before slicing. Once the model was finalized, it was time to move on 3D printing. The print took about 3 hours on my Creality Ender 3 Neo using white PLA filament. I had this printer since 2023 and it has been a beast for DIY projects. If you are new to 3D printing and looking for an affordable, reliable printer, I would highly recommend it. Let me know if you would like a full review on it. As mentioned earlier, it's a two-part clamp system. One part sits in front of the helmet while the other piece clamps around from the back. I also included screw placements to keep it firmly secured without damaging the helmet. Once the print was done, I checked the fit against my helmet. The first test wasn't perfect. There were small gaps making the mount a bit wobbly. So I had to go back, tweak the design and print two more iterations. By the third version, I finally got the perfect fit. The adapter now conformed seamlessly to the helmet's angles and held firmly in the place. To improve grip, I added a thin layer of M-Seal before installation. While this step is optional, it provides extra stability. Before assembling the mount, I spray painted the adapter using a grey primer from Samurai Kuboroshi. The link is in the description. Ideally, a black color would have matched the helmet better, but since I had grey primer lying around, I went with that. Now with everything ready, I proceeded with the final installation. I placed the main adapter body on the helmet's jaw area and secured it with the clamping part from the back. On the flat surface of the adapter, I installed the camera mount, ensuring a firm grip. And finally, I attached the DJI Action 4, locking it securely in the place. So you may be wondering, how did it turn out? Well, here's the final setup. The camera sits perfectly in the place with no interference when wearing the helmet, and it feels rock solid. Even when moving the helmet around, the mount stays firmly in the place. No wobbling, no instability, just secure, seamless. Exactly as I planned. Now let's take it for a spin. Out on the road, the mount holds firmly, there are no shakes, no extra weight issues, and the camera stays perfectly balanced. Even at high speed, I don't feel any discomfort from the added weight, and the footage is buttery smooth. Overall, I'm really happy how it turned out. So that's my DJI Action camera mount for Yamaha Genex helmet. What do you guys think? Would you try something like this for your helmet? Let me know in the comments. If you're into DIY 3D printing and bike travel content, make sure to subscribe. I will be sharing more of my build process soon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.
See ya.